Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Portmore and we're giving you a tour of the largest toll plaza in Jamaica. This is also the busiest toll plaza in Jamaica. It has 21 lanes and in 1 year up to 13 million cars pass through this toll plaza. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And that road is the Portmore Expressway. It's the road that takes you from Kingston to Portmore. And as you know, Portmore has a large population. It's so large that Portmore is going to become a parish. It stands as the largest toll facility in Jamaica, playing a vital role in the country's modern highway network. Located on the Highway 2000 East-West corridor, it serves Kingston. It serves as the main gateway between Portmore and Kingston, two of the most heavily traveled areas on the island. Built and operated by Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, the Portmore Toll Plaza features 21 lanes, making it the biggest toll plaza in the nation. It was designed to handle Jamaica's growing traffic demand, particularly from Portmore's large commuter population that travels daily to the corporate area. The plaza is equipped with both manual and electronic T-tag lanes, allowing for efficient and faster movement of vehicles. Handling more than 13 million vehicles annually, the Portmore Toll Plaza is also the highest revenue earner among Jamaica's toll facilities, contributing billions of dollars each year. Its design allows for flexible lane management to ease congestion during peak hours, while continuous upgrades have introduced new technologies to improve tax collection and reduce wait times. Beyond traffic management, the plaza represents a key achievement in Jamaica's infrastructure development. It connects communities, supports economic activity, and provides a reliable route for commuters and commercial transport. Its operation is a symbol of Jamaica's shift towards modern, self-sustaining road infrastructure financed through public-private partnerships. In summary, the Portmore Toll Plaza is more than a toll collection point. It is an essential part of Jamaica's national transport system, improving connectivity, reducing travel time, and supporting the country's economic growth and modernization. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.